Hi guys, welcome to the stream. So today, we're gonna just test out some assets. This is a very short stream. I bought assets for Kassandra. So, because previously we actually have some issues with hair um, for Kassandra. So let me just test it first. Because so far, in Viro, the asset that I'm using to manage the weather and day-night cycles. It has some issues with like if it's foggy. So I want to test that out today. What happens if it's foggy? There. So far, the issue has been fixed. Previously, like the previous hair for Kassandra is actually something like this. Let me show you. Um, the material is transparent, and because of the transparent material, it doesn't work well with the existing hair for Kassandra. So let's test that one out. This is the original hair for Kassandra, and it's supposed to be transparent like this. See, so as you can see there, it doesn't blend with like transparent materials doesn't work well with Enviro's um fog system like that. So I was having issues with this. So I decided, okay, let's just buy a like hair assets for Kassandra. So right now her hair seems to be working fine, but we just need to maybe adjust her hair color because right now it's too orange. So let's try that one. So currently I didn't rig this in Kassandra's asset. Um, I just attach it to her head, so something like this here. So it's not really seems to look fine, but it's not working as intended. Just when she moves her head, let's see. Let's wait for her to move there. So she moves her head. The hair doesn't have physics in it. It's okay though, like there's nothing wrong with that, but I want it to be rigged as well. If not, I will just stick with this one if we can't do like rigging for the hair. Anyway, so because I don't really know how to do this, like the rigging. Okay, so let's test some hair first. Let's test everything. Because this is the rig. And the hair has root, meaning it has bones, right? So I think that's how it works. I'm not an expert with this thing, so I don't know. If you guys have some advice on how to do this, uh, it would be greatly appreciated. Because I have really zero idea about rigging and animations. Yeah, so I'm just attaching it here to uh the armature. Is that called? Yeah. So let's test some hair. That's the goal for today. We're gonna test Cassandra's hairs. So we have here bangs. So some bangs for her. Maybe we can mix and match, like add additional stuff. Is it 10? Like that. She looks good. I like 10 the most. It's the closest to what we have for Cassandra. But anyway, let's test other stuff first. Oh, this one. So it's like anime style. Then we have this. Oh wait, let's try and change the time first. We want it to be daytime. Let's try daytime. Daytime. Okay, this should do, right? It's too bright. Okay, maybe this 9. Yeah, that would do. Then let's try the hair packages. So hair 1. So the anime style. So again, the hair is orange. We don't want orange. We want reddish hair. We'll change this. Maybe we can change it now, because it's already here. And I don't like this. Let's change first the hair and then change the color after. So as you can see, the hair seems to be like it's just straight, right? It doesn't have physics. It doesn't affect there's no physics in it. And I don't know. I have no idea on how to do this again. So, let's see. Okay, let me just okay, this one. This one, there's no problem with this, because you know, if the hair is just at the top, it's not hanging down the shoulders, there's no problem, because if it moves like this, if it moves, it doesn't really need physics. This is just we're just sticking it to the hair. So that's one option. Give Kassandra shorter hair. About this one, this is too straight. This looks good also. I don't know in game. Let's see in game. Yeah, it looks okay. Let's try other options first. I keep resetting this what do you call this? The animator, because Kassandra tends to move a lot, and there's some issues with her. Let me see. Let's just fix her first. Okay. She's always looking around like that. Okay, let's just fix her here so that she doesn't move around that much. Okay. So our goal for today is to find Kassandra's best hairstyle on the existing package that we have. Okay, so this one, nah, I don't know. It looks too, like, Cassandra looks strict here. Okay. So it doesn't match. Let's look for the closest one that we have. This one as well. Again, this is fine though, but again, as you can see, when she tilts her head, there's no physics, there's no rigging, so yeah, let's try another one. Okay, this one is the this is the easiest one that we can use. Is we don't really need physics for this, right? But again, we don't want that like we don't want this as Cassandra's hair also. Doesn't match her style and her look. This though, I think this is okay, but without the bangs maybe. The bangs is somewhat they call this. It's a bit distracting. Okay, then this one, this does work, but it's not Kassandra. Maybe we can give this to, let's use these hairs to give to our NPCs, like maybe some villagers. Some villagers would be like good with this hair. Yeah, I think I'll be using this hair asset for our villagers. Yes, it looks good and it doesn't affect with the fog, as you can see. Yeah, let's change the fog first. It's too foggy, so let's go back to. Oh no, it's actually a correct weather. Let's go with this. Audi. Okay. Okay, let's test other hair packs. This one actually looks cute here, but it's too like the hair's too messy. Maybe we can give this to a warrior type enemy, or not an enemy but a warrior type character. I actually have something here. Let me see. Maybe we can give it to Freya. Let's see, Freya. Her. We can give it to her. Let's try and find this hairstyle as well in the package. But this one, it's too long though. Okay, next. Okay, this one looks good for Kassandra. Like, see, looks fine. Nope. And this will not have issues with the physics as well, because she's doing ponytail, right? But I think it doesn't suit Kassandra. Maybe we can give this to a mage type enemy, a lady mage, maybe. Right. Yeah, let's try another one. This one as well. It looks fine. But then again, maybe a mage. This will be good for a mage, I think. So as you can see here in the hair, there's some like black areas. So that's actually the old hair. So that will not be an issue if we're gonna modify this hair to fit the original hair. Because Kassandra should have red hair. Okay, this one is the closest one that this is the closest to the original hair for Kassandra. Maybe we'll just add volume to it, like, let's see, like this one, the bangs. Let's try some bangs. Nah, not this one. No. This one adds volume. I think this one will work. We'll just add volume. So bangs too. Okay, so let's keep this in mind, because this is the closest thing we have for Kassandra. That is the closest hair, and I think we will not have issues with physics, or we will have some clipping though. But that's not really a big deal. I do love to test out some physics though. Okay, let's try other stuff first before we proceed. So what if we're gonna try like this one? Bangs with this ponytail. This looks good as well. See? I think having bangs is good. This one too. Adds a lot to the character. See? So there's no bangs. This is with bangs. This one also works well for Kassandra. Having to tie the back part. Guys, let me know what you think, okay? Like, I want your opinion as well. I think this works well too. Like, if you think about it, like Kassandra is busy doing research and all, and she's super busy, right? So she should be tidy. Okay, let's test. So these are the long hair. Nah, it's too long for Kassandra. I think 10 is the best so far. This is the closest that we have for Kassandra's hair. Okay, let's just keep that for now. Let's test other hairstyles. But so far, I'm really happy with the asset pack. So maybe this one, we can give this to Freya. This hair, this one, it's exactly her hair, and we turn it white, like that. Yeah, this will be Freya's hair. Maybe. Or it's the opposite, white, and then root should be grayish, maybe. Something like that. Yeah, definitely. Okay, we'll set this to Freya's hair, her hair. So it's exactly the same hair. So that's why I bought this asset pack, because I also need hair for Freya. So this one is a bit messy. If with bangs, okay, seems to be okay as well. But maybe we can give this to another character. But it does look good for Kassandra. Yeah, I think it looks awesome. So this is another contender. So far we have 10 and 12. Let's take note. So we have 10 and 12 with number 2 banks. Yeah, I like this one as well. This one looks cool. Okay. What else? Just she's busy, right? So we should add busyness to her hair as well. This is okay. Let's try other hair. So we have 12 and 13. This is too short. Maybe we can give this to a female character that's... Oh wait, let's try. How about with bangs? I don't like this part. Although the back part is okay. The ponytail is okay, but her bangs is kinda doesn't match with the existing bangs. Okay, 14. Okay, 13 and 14, we can give this to female warriors that is under the Holy Order, maybe. Can give it to them, like this one, like having short hair and tie at the back. We can give them to warrior type enemies. This one, This is actually one of the first designs for Kassandra's hair. But the problem is the physics again. See, so the hair is just stiff. But Erin did design Kassandra to like at first to look like this. Let's see. Let's check the old designs. Kassandra. So the original hair design for Kassandra is actually similar to that. See? Something like this. Her hair is at the side. Like that. And we decided, okay, let's just give her different hair. Here are some inspirations, by the way. Like the color of the hair should be like this, and like something like this. Like the volume is similar to Yennefer's. Her face should look like Lagertha. See the similarities. And here are some examples of hair that I gave Erin. Finally, we made Kassandra. So this is her original look. This one is the original. This is the original hair that Erin gave us, and the closest one really is this one, 10 and 2. This one. Let's see. See. Wait. So they're pretty similar. So I think we'll just go with this. But again, let's explore further some of the options that we have. Just so that we will know, like in the future, if I need hair for an NPC, I'll just go here and check. Oh, this one looks good. Like maybe generic villagers. This will do. This one as well. Yeah, these will be good for warrior type characters or NPCs. This one is okay, by the way. Let's try this with bangs. Yeah, see? This is okay too. Nah, it doesn't work well with this here. Maybe with volume. This looks okay. Okay, this one. Yeah, this looks good for, like, again, a warrior type enemy. Or a mage, a caster enemy. Okay, let me quickly take some screenshots so that we can change our let's do Photoshop first. Let's take some screenshot so that we can modify our, what do you call this? We can modify the thumbnail for this, and then quickly edit her hair color. Maybe something around here. It's too red. This doesn't look natural, right? I don't know. I'm not really an expert with hair stuff. So bear with me. Maybe this. It's too red. Nah, let's just stick with this for now. I'll just need a clip for the live stream thumbnail. She does look like Lagertha, right? From Vikings. So let's just get a clip and put it here. I just need a quick thumbnail. Like that. Wait. Support this. Because I totally forgot to add thumbnail. to modify the thumbnail rather. How do I edit this? I forgot. Okay, here. Kassandra. Okay, so let's continue. Let's close this for now. Okay, so this one, I think we're gonna go with this. This is the closest that we have. But then again, I don't really know how to do the colors of the hair. Let's take reference from Dark Souls 1. This hair, I want this hair for Kassandra's hair. So how shall we do that? Are they the same though? This hair, I want this. So let's try. Hold on, let me just set up the live stream correctly. There. Okay, so the goal is to match it with this, right? Okay, let me see. This is the goal, I think. So we're almost there actually, so let's just make it a bit darker. Like that. Nah, it's brown. Or that. Yeah, maybe this one. Yeah, I think this will do. Then highlights should be red. I don't know. Like that. Or is it too red? Let's try darker. Mm. Not this one. So far, this looks good, but again, we don't want orange. We want it like this, like this. It's close though. This hair. What's this hair? Just focus on the hair, guys. Okay, let's try. Maybe if we do it like this, it doesn't work. We need maybe a bit, and then lower the like something like this, maybe like that. Yeah, this will do. I think this is it. Yeah, this is the correct color now. Maybe we change this a bit. Like that.
Cast your glow upon me, light weaver. Let the flow of change refine your power. Go forth, brave wisp. May your light shape the destinies of this island.
Yeah, this is the color that we want. And let's try her. Let's try at nighttime. Nighttime. Let's try nighttime. Okay, let's wait for the systems to kick in. It's a system that refreshes the global elimination. Not it's not real time. It's after a few seconds. So it should be up in a few seconds right now. There. Yeah, I think this should be it.
Cast your glow upon me, light weaver. Let the flow of change refine your power. Go forth, brave wisp. May your light shape the destinies of this island.
Yeah, we'll just go with this and um we'll give her an alternate look if it's daytime and she's taking a bath somewhere in the lake. So we'll go with this, and then maybe her lake look should be something like maybe we can go with 13. This one. Oh no, not 13. 12, I think. No, not 12. Wait, let's try 12 though. Nah, 12 is too messy. Looks good though. What was that again? I forgot. There was a look that... this one. Oh no, not this one, the other one. This is too long. So we have 10, and we just need the alternate look. Let's see. Yeah, maybe this one. Where she's tying her hair up. And she should, like, she's taking a bath or something. Using her alternate clothes. Yeah, we will do an alternate hairstyle for Kassandra. When she's bathing in the lake. Yeah. All right, so we now have a hair. Yeah, I think I'll just use this also, and it's not really an issue. Like the rigging is like too minimal. I think we don't need to add physics to this. It should work fine by itself. All right. So yeah, so that's it, guys. So this is a very short stream for now. But so far we now have Kassandra's new look. Let's just modify this a bit. We will be using this new hair for Kassandra, and then for Freya, we will be using the other one that we just saw. Let me just check quickly. I forgot the hairstyle for Freya. No, not this one. Nine. This also looks good, but too strict again. This looks like a mage. This is anime Kassandra. Anyway, yeah, so we'll just work on Freya once her model is here, but for now, let me see. Yeah, we'll just go with hairstyle bangs number 2 and 10. So I'll be saving this for Kassandra. Alright, so that's it, guys. Later I'll be working on some new stuff like the parchments. So thank you so much for watching. See you later when I work on new systems. We'll be working new systems like the parchment. Right, bye for now. Hello. Cool. Yeah, I'll be like, this is a very short live video, but so far we're already finished with creating Kassandra's hairstyle, so yeah, we'll be going with this. Right, see you later on the next live stream. Bye for now, till next time.